Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to check your game version and force updates on Steam. Keeping your games up to date ensures smooth gameplay and better performance. First, open your Steam app. If you do not have it installed, go to the official Steam website and download it. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click Library to view your list of games. Find the game you want to check and right-click on it. Select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, click the Updates tab. At the bottom, you will see details like App ID, Build ID, and the last updated date. These help you verify the current version of your game. To make sure your game stays updated, go to the Automatic Updates section. Choose Always Keep this game up to date or immediately download updates depending on your preference. And that is it. You have just checked your game version and set up automatic updates on Steam. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.